The cheapest car that I've ever bought. It is 6 a.m. We are leaving to Penang to pick up the car. I think I might have messed up. I just bought the cheapest BMW F30 in the entire country. This is a 2016 BMW F30 330e. It's got the 2-liter B48 engine making 184 horsepower from the 320i, and it's paired with a 70 horsepower electric motor for efficiency and a little bit of extra power. Back in 2016, this exact car would have costed over 258,000 ringgit here in Malaysia. Fast forward to today, I just picked it up from an auction for only 16,000 ringgit. The interior is perfect. The airbags haven't blown, so that's a good sign. We need a new windshield. So let's get this car back to KL, put it on a lift at our shop, and look at the damage that's been done to underneath the car. I am so excited about this. Even the headlights are fine. Those are expensive. Do you think the car would start? Traction era? Holy shit! Okay, we have to try. I have to turn it off because I don't know how much oil it has. That was a massive win. The engine actually starts, which means things are already looking pretty good for us. Now, we've just got to get it 300 kilometers back to Kuala Lumpur where we can actually start working on the car. Alright, so we are at the shop right now. It is almost 5 p.m. We were on the road for around 11 hours. We are back at the shop. As you can see, we are still renovating and we have already purchased 3 cars. By the time this video is out, the shop is already operating. So we have to replace the windscreen. This bumper has to go. What I'm worried about is whether the oil pan has been damaged, because entire damage has been underneath the car. What else is underneath the car? The freaking oil pan. The radiators are broken, so we can't run the car for long. It doesn't look like a lot of the stuff past the front wheel is damaged. I don't know what this is for. First drive in my brand new used 330e that just started up. Yep.
That didn't sound good.
That did not sound good. The car does not want to start anymore, which is not a good sign. I think I might have messed up, bro. Could it be that the engine might not have oil and I might have seized the engine?
This car means lucky for you.
It is very lucky. The only problem is I don't have money to fix it. I think we should start the car. The floor is cold. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so we have Kogu here after... How long has it been since I've had you on video? Bro, it's been a while. I brought you another F30. Because you had a great time with the previous F30, I thought I would give you another. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna start the car in front of Kogu once for him to listen to the car because he speaks BMW. I don't know what happened before, but it's like the thing where you finally see a doctor and suddenly you're not sick anymore. So when the car saw Kogu, it started right up again. So I guess that means Kogu already fixed the car. So today is 2nd of August and we got this car on 22nd of May. It's been a while. So we have exactly 20 days before we can register the car. Otherwise it's gone for good, I assume. The shop is now fully open. The beginning of the video, the shop was being renovated. So we are gonna jack up the car and see what's going on. It's a nice engine. That's cute.
Yeah.
B48. This B48 is not gonna be a very stock B48 for long. This is gonna be crazy. Probably have some animals living in this engine bay.
We remove everything, the front nose cut, and then we see what else need to change.
This looks fine. Just a few leaves we need to throw away. Probably a few rats living in here. Can you think of a rat, bro? You ever seen a rat in your house? That's an air intake, inlet pipe. I'm a professional. Let's see if I can take this off. What do you think of my work? How do you take this off?
See, you take out the hose without breaking anything.
Okay.
The lunch on mine.
I think that's a good deal, bro. I'm good at taking hose out. By the time I'm done taking this pipe off, Kogu will be done with the whole car. Why is this so hard? This is harder than opening an engine door. I'm sure Kogu can take this off in his sleep. He's opened like 20 parts. Can you check if I've broken anything?
Think no.
Lunch on you?
Lunch on me.
There's one clip holding the intake in,
Oh.
right? There you go, bro. I told you I can find the clip.
Need to unplug the battery.
Why is this so hard? Stop your dirty mind.
You can't see, bro. You need to feel it.
You can't see the clip, you need to feel it. He's very good at feeling and getting a feel for the clip. No, this, we don't need this. We don't need this because RPM.
Few hoses need to change.
Are the hose broken?
Yeah.
In these situations, normally you have to use some rubber, but me and Kogu would like it raw, so. Okay, we need brakes. These brakes are completely gone. But on the bright side, we have some Bilsteins on this car. This is crazy. So we are assessing the damage for the first time to see what actually went wrong and what kind of parts we would have to steal. This radiator is gone.
Yeah. Radiator subframe also need to change.
We need to change the subframe, we need to change the radiator. How's the steering rack?
Looks fine, but need to power up and see the.
Okay. I'm an expert BMW arch lining opener. Don't need this anymore. You see how easy it was for me to open the arch lining?
Both sides, huh?
Both sides. Easy. You didn't know this car has an auxiliary cooler? Can you make it look like I know what I'm doing? Oh, came on my mouth. Nah. It's a family-friendly YouTube channel, by the way. Your son doesn't watch YouTube, right?
He does, but not this kind of channel.
Yeah. This is not coming off. I don't know if this was supposed to come off at this stage, but since I'm a professional, I made the executive decision. Take it off anyway. What started as a small YouTube channel from a kid who was driving a BMW diesel. So it's a 2015 520D. Turned into RPM tuning and me opening plastic off of a crashed car that I bought. It's absolutely crazy. Kogu did not see this. Good as new. Since we are here, do you have like some kind of wrap we can wrap this with? White? What do you think about my progress?
Yeah, good. Everything is perfect.
I'm a mechanic. Would you hire me?
That's a big no.
We pulled off the entire front end assembly, and yeah, it definitely looked like that's where the damage was. But then I found another hidden damage that I wasn't expecting. So from what I can see here, this looks like it's also bent a little. I have no idea what this is called, so I might have to take this one off too. Other than that, everything seems fine. Look at that tiny little turbo that we are gonna change very soon. But then I found something that I really wasn't expecting. I checked underneath the car and there it was, a hole in the transmission oil pan, which means all the transmission fluid would have leaked out. And if someone actually drove it like that, the gearbox would be gone. And trust me, that is not a cheap repair. Take off the entire undercarriage cover. We can see if there is any more damage. Just have to find what we can find. This undercarriage cover is already damaged. It has to go. Do you think there's gonna be any oil that spills on me?
No.
I'm guessing my internship is not going so well. So this transmission has no oil in it. That is why we couldn't drive the car when we put it in gear. We'll have to see. It's probably because of this hole here. So when I told Kogu this car doesn't want to drive, he told me that the transmission probably doesn't have enough oil in it. He was right because, you know, Kogu speaks BMW. This transmission definitely needs a service. So BMW tells you that your transmission does not need to be serviced and it has lifetime fluid in it. I think at this point we can ask them to put in new fluid because... Are you proud of me?
Why?
I screwed the trans for the first time. What are you thinking about? This is a brand new used transmission filter. On the scale of 1 to 10, how good is my workmanship?
Now you know that.
At least it fell directly into the trans filter. How do you take this? Bro, do 330Es come with aluminum oil pans? Yeah. Do all B48s come with aluminum? It's just the N20 that's garbage. Yeah. This car came with very nice suspension, very nice exhaust, very nice carbon fiber interior. And I sold the interior, I sold the exhaust muffler. I want to sell the wheels. So I had a great idea. You know this car, right?
Yeah.
The owner is not paying attention, right? Very nice rims, very nice rims. They fit great, they look great. I like black. I don't like too many spokes. So since he's not paying attention, all right, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video where we will actually get to drive this car for the first time on the road.
Should I?
Peel that off. We're already working on the car.
Oh my god!
Should I? No.
Yeah, do it.
Bro, I am working on my car. People told me in my comments that I should start working on my own cars, and that is what I'm doing.